Oh, hell nah. Bro, these birds are out of hand, bro. Boys, I was trying to fucking record the whole time, but that shit fucking... If I didn't fucking move the camera, bro, I was about to go into the wall. Oh fuck, dude, what the fuck did that fool do? Oh hell no. Shout out to everybody that has ordered something. Appreciate y'all for real. Here's 2 more orders going out right now. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, fucking Roach. I fucking love this car, bro. That's all I have to say, dude. Fuck. This shit is so cool. It's pulling nice too. That's what's crazy. Oh hell no, this fool wants to race. Okay, second gear, second gear. You're gonna get grabbed, bro. Honk, honk. Get cab. Throwback if you know, you know. I couldn't record good though, boys. My bad. I actually don't know what the fuck is going on, but my shit pulls, bruh. That's high quality right there, bro. Yeah, look at this nigga. That's not water, don't matter. Hey, mega. You wet them, bruh. Oh hell nah. I think that nigga saw. He's like, sus? Do you even fit?
Yeah, it's 5.
5 what, nigga?
Oh wait, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, 5 of us.
Have you been here? 5 what, nigga?
I think the last time I had this was graduation 8th grade. I know, right?
I think. Yeah, I've never had this.
Yeah, it's good.
To save it for school, bro. What you doing for? I know, dude. Bro, $30. I don't know how much food I fucking got.
What, to be hella small?
No, nigga. $30. It's 6. It's only 6. It's only 6 for 30. It's 2 extra. What'd you get?
The same thing as you.
You got baby back ribs?
Yeah.
Dude, how much was it?
I don't even know.
Oh, he just swipes. He just swipes.
Hey, honestly, when it comes to food, I just swipe. I don't chase.
Hell no. I was like, when I saw 30, I was like,
hell no. Hey, here, I'll show you a sneak peek of the wheels, and then they'll know when they're on.
You gonna show them or no?
Nah, they gotta watch.
They haven't even seen your Subaru. We're gonna have to show them right now when we go.
No, they gotta watch to find out.
Oh yeah, that should be hard.
You can wait.
Yeah, that should be hard.
Edit that out. Edit that out.
Look, I'll show them.
Hey, yeah, bro.
Yeah, no, those wheels will look sick on it, bro.
They look sick, huh?
Hell yeah.
Really?
Well, I don't know. We'll see.
Nigga, you can't post this.
No, I can censor it. I just put our face on the nipple. I'll be like, I'll put the face, be like, oh, your shit's ready.
Hell no.
Go, go, go. Yeah. Ball. If you guys don't know where ball, ball. This is the ball, man.
Nigga, this shit does not look good.
Y'all got the lamest stuff, bro.
I know, bruh. Bruh, I'm mad.
No, how did you not know this was this?
Because,
Did you want ribs?
yes.
Or you want one, dude?
Let me get some ketchup on.
Oh, you guys fucked up, bro.
Dude,
look at this shit. I'm about to get messy.
Undercooked. Hey, this is,
What is this?
this is fire, bruh.
Barbecue.
Bruh, I'm mad, bruh. Nah, this is hella good.
Ah, it's hella good. It's hella good. Dude, throwback to graduate. Last time I had armadillos or whatever this place is,
Everything keeps falling.
it was 8th grade graduation. Actually, I have a picture. I'm gonna pop it up right here. It's a funniest picture. I'll pop it up right there.
What is this nigga doing? How is it? Your avocado shit. Eat it, eat it. Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Hi. Has a camera on the back? Wait, what?
No,
Oh, wait, never mind. I got screen. I got retarded. I gotta be retarded. Okay. Hey, rate the food.
That's good.
Pretty good.
Fucking good. It was fucking good.
Roberto got the wait. Actually, I think the last car they seen of yours. You know what is funny? I remember the first ever video I made. I was like, my friend Roberto's gonna be bringing his red GTI, but I never showed your red GTI. You remember?
Oh yeah.
But look at it, boys. And oh, dude, this is so fucking clean, bro.
Ask him when he's gonna
Fucking
go
love
low.
it. It's already low. Bro, I fucking love this car, dude.
Oh yeah.
This is fucking nice, nigga. Oh hell yeah. The bug eye is the best headlight. Let me know what you guys like down below. Me personally, the bug eye is my favorite.
Oh my god.
Other like the Hawkeye and the fucking Blob Eye or whatever, they're cool too, but the bug eyes are just fucking, I fucking love bug eyes. It's fucking beautiful, dude. Should I air out or no?
This nigga said shit I said out.
Oh shit, let me move out of the way. Lucky shit, huh? Oh, it's nice weather though, nice weather.
Fuck yeah. Look at this one.
Nice little sunset. Oh hell yeah. Cause then it's in between us.
Yeah.
That's just sick, nigga. That's just sick. Dude, once you get those new wheels, that shit's gonna go crazy.
Okay.
You guys will see the wheels. I don't know if you guys, if you know, you know.
But like, what do you think you would?
Oh hell no, bruh.
Delete that shit right now.
Hey, delete that shit right now. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Dude, I fucking love seeing these cars together though.
Yeah.
I guess because they're both blue, so it kind of looks cool, you know what I mean?
They're different blue. You know what I'm feeling like? Like one day you're just like chilling, right? And then I'm on top of something, and then I just jump on your shit right here, on your shoulders.
Well, what? Why?
And then you need to break them.
What the fuck? Nigga, you're gonna fold me.
Yeah. And then you start running for
Yeah,
no reason.
but right-
backwards.
Nah, right when you
That's
jump
why I
on me, I'm
dreamt.
gonna fall.
You're like, stop, bro, stop.
Why would I tell you to stop if I'm the one running?
Yeah.
Why would I still be saying stop if you're the one on top of me and I'm running? Oh, fuck.
Because I was on top of you.
Gay.
Maybe that should hurt it.
That sucks, bro. What are you dreaming about me and shit? Oh, hell no.
I want everybody to bring this car. You know what I mean?
Let me do some cinematics.
So we can all be.
Bro, I was doing that right now, bro.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, it was.
Cinematic is hard, bro. Especially with the Go, because it's not gonna come out smooth.
It doesn't? Really?
No, it does, but like the quality's not like the best, you know. Oh, you should.
Hey, chill, nigga. Chill. Sus, bro. Hey, I'm about to pass you right now.
No.
I'm gonna pass you.
Right now it's cold. Right now it's cold. Right now it's cold.
Hey, you're about to get arrested for being sus, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna go tell the sheriff. I'm gonna go tell the sheriff.
pictures look cool at least.
Yeah, the pictures are cool.
But I like the pictures. The pictures go crazy.
Hey, what color do you think I have?
I don't know. I don't know too many brands like that. What, Subi Speed? iHeart? Carhartt?
I get some pretty... They're not the cheapest, but they're not the most expensive.
Racelands?
Yeah.
Oh shit. How'd they ride?
I got the medium ones.
I feel like Racelands are good nowadays.
No, they're pretty good actually. They're not that bumpy.
Yeah.
No way! No way, bruh! Oh, hell nah. Nigga!
Let's go!
Nigga!
Hey, your shit falls, bro! You lied to me! That shit's fast!
No, hey, deadass, I do have a boost leak, or a boost problem.
Oh, hey, deadass.
That shit's quick!
It's quick, huh?
Hell yeah! That was cool. I thought at first, but then you took off.
Oh, hell nah. Nah, I think it's because my net is a little bigger than yours, that's why.
Oh shit, Ramon taking on the Civic. Oh shit. Ooh. Oh, that's Ramon. Oh shit. And then we got this beam right here. Nice. Round 2. Well, I think he gave him like a little head start. Oh yeah, there we go. Sheesh. Dude, that Beamer low-key pulls, bruh. You know what I mean? Dude, I can't even be pretending to race with these fools. I'll just get right away. I would, bruh.
Not the Honda.
Nah, I think the Honda's faster than the GTI. I don't know though. That'd be my. Oh look, oh Ramon and this nigga. Wait, what the fuck? This nigga's in the middle of the road. But get closer, get on. Oh hell nah, nigga, put the hazards right away. Damn, hit the Yasid on him. Ramon's mad right now, bro. Dude, Ramon's car looks pretty clean with the wheels though.
Yeah.
Wait.